So this is a very noisy place with fans, but these are PM detectors, particles of dust, PM 2.5. Then you see the PM down in the lower 1.0, then the PM 10, and you see they're all at 0. So now I'll walk outside of this room now. The unique thing about this room, we set up right there. You can't see it because we're in the dark with the green lights, but that comes from the roof, and that vent right there would also has one of the, what's the damn name of those things? One of those photocells that put positive ions and peroxide molecules into the air for sterilization, but it's fed by a filter on the roof going through a HEPA filter. It goes through a MERV 8 or a MERV 13 pre-filter, and then it goes through a HEPA filter, a true HEPA filter, sealed ducting all the way from the roof of the building all the way down, feed into this room. This room is always in positive pressure, and those are the particulates. I bought 2 of them because I wanted to know, just in case one was faulty, if one didn't read right, I wanted to make sure the other one reads correctly. Now when I walk outside of this room, you'll see the difference. When I have them at home or in my car, you'll see the numbers read. But inside this room, it's been staying zeros the whole time I'm in here, unless I walk around them too much or I start handling things on the tray, then the numbers go up a little bit, but then they go back down. So I'll catch you on the next video. I'll walk, well, maybe I can walk these things out of here while I'm, hold on. Bad video, but I'm in the dark in a room. And you see I just disturbed it, and I'm walking around it, and this is a dusty piece of paper. I actually have them on a dirty piece of cardboard that came from outside. I'm in a clean suit. Okay. Little lag time, and here we go. And that is walking out here. And that's coming out into here. And earlier, when there was a lot of people walking around, doors were open and closing, this went all the way up to 52 to 62 while there was a lot of commotion and people walking around. So that's the difference between a room that is fed with a HEPA filter under positive pressure, all zeros, the PM10, the PM1.0, and the PM2.5 on both units, and then walking out to the room. Right now, there's no people in the warehouse. It's been shut down for the last hour. Nobody's walking around. So we're in a pretty still environment. And this is the particle levels in a still environment area. And when people were here, they were up in the 50s and the 60s. Everything was like way up high. And it was no longer, like it says, good. It was approaching after, it was going into the yellow, from good to yellow, getting there to the bad part. All right, that's it on this.